Quack quack, and welcome back. Today got a little R&R and a Hyundai, a little bit of Hulk smash action. The customer apparently broke off the wiper switch, so now we got to replace it. One thing I found surprising is that you can't just buy the wiper switch. Now it comes as a integral unit. Integral is a big word for saying everything all in one. You get your wiper switch, your blinker switch. Yes, cars do come with blinkers if you didn't know. And you get a clock spring. So all this is going to slide over our steering wheel. And yeah, we'll restore the wiper functions where you don't have the wipers just going on and on and on because, you know, there's a open in the circuit. First things first, we're going to get the battery unplugged so I don't go boom when I undo the airbags. Word to the wise, clock springs are very fragile. This clip right here actually prevents the clock spring itself from spinning. That way it can't break the ribbon inside, or it's probably a ribbon, I don't know. Something like that. That's how we get wires through a circle motion. Yeah, so let's get into it, guys. Try this again. Round 47. Fight. I wish the horn was on. Alright, so after we beat the final boss, aka the airbag, godly. Let's get these wires out of here. Chance. Boom boom. At least not from the car. Just rest you right there for a second and lift her out. Repeat. Oh, there we go. Let's do from here anyway. Put that face down. The wheel controls, and then the pass through for the clock spring. Its wires through. All right, so steering wheel straight. Break out the Ugga Duggas. Get this in one swoop. I'm going to hold the steering wheel in place. And there we have it. I'm going to reinsert the bolt, couple threads. That way, when I yank on the steering wheel, I don't punch myself in the face. All right, should let go. Come on, friend. All right, and we're going to just gently bring her down. So since the clock spring will be replaced with the assembly, the integral unit, we can not stress about this. And these are brushless. So. Should find something else, I would imagine. Oh, hold on a second. Let's pull this out. Lock her in place. Let's take this out because the new one came with one anyway. Let's not break that one. Oh, there she be. And notice when I pull, because there will be times where you have to reuse these. So do your best to make sure you don't break it. I'm gonna set this outside. All right, so remember, this is your locking tab to prevent the clock spring from spinning during installation and whatever else you're doing. We can get rid of the razzle-dazzle bags. Now I'm just going to line her up just like I took her off, and there should be a keyway where our spline where it only can go on a certain way. So there's a few indicators on here, some lines and stuff. Feels about right. Just be nice and gentle with her. Very sensitive component. Let's bolt down that TM. Tighten her up. No, I'm not going to do the whole thing with it. Just because I need to know how it feels. And I could tell whenever I broke it free, that did it by itself. So I don't have to crank on it. It wasn't that tight. Now we're just going to put it back together. So before I forget to do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and start the car, make sure that the airbag light goes out, and verify that we don't have any issues with the SRS system. Remember that whenever a car is started, the vehicle does a number of self-tests on the ABS system, on the airbag system, on ADAS. There's always, self-tests happening. We can do this one very quickly and very easily. So look for this one. And when she goes out and she doesn't come back on, she's good to go. And we can verify that we have wiper action and that our horn works. So that's it, guys. Overall, it's not too bad. I did struggle a lot with the airbag, getting it out, but that's because I didn't check information first. So until next time, guys, Duck signing out. Quack, quack. Bye.